is to check whether the given number is perfect cube or not. What is the way to check whether this number is a perfect cube or not? That is, we will find the prime factors of this number, and if prime factors exist in the pair of 3, then it is a perfect cube, otherwise it is not a perfect cube. So let us check. First of all, do the prime factorization of 4096. 2048, 1024, 512, 256, 128, 264, 232, 216, 2, lots of 2 are coming over here, 4, 2 and last one 2. How many 2s are there? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair and 4 pair we are having. So 4096 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So you can check that here we get 4 pairs of 2, each having 3 2's in it. So 4096 is a perfect cube. 4096 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Why? Because all its prime factors lies in the group of 3. 4096 is a perfect cube because all its prime factors lie in the group of 3. Let us take one more example. 2744. Now we have to check whether 2744 is a perfect cube or not. What we will do? We will do prime factorization. It will go on to 1372. Again on to 686. Again on to 343. Now it will go on 7. Luckily we are getting this as also a perfect cube because we are having 2 groups of 3 factors each. So 2744 is also a perfect cube as all the factors are in lie in group of 3. Group of 3. Is that clear? Let us take one more example. Now we will check whether 27,648 is a perfect cube or not. Do the prime factorization. Do it again by 2. Again by 2. Now do the prime factorization of 27 over here. Now the factors of 27648 are 2 into 2 into 2. One group we got. Again 2 into 2 into 2. Second group we get. Then again 2 into 2 into 2. Third group we get. Now when this 2 is extra, no grouping can be done, into one group of 3 is there. Okay, so this 2 is idle. Whenever you find any number idle, any factor idle or in a pair, not in a group of 3, then the given number is not a perfect cube. So you can write 27648 is not a perfect cube as all the factors are not in group of 3 because 2 is idle. 2 is idle. That's all. So 27,648 is not a perfect cube. Now you can easily check whether a given number is a perfect cube or not. Now see, if in this question it is given that you have to make it a perfect cube. Suppose check whether this is a perfect cube or not, and if not, make it a perfect cube. Make it a perfect cube. Now what you will do? See, in the chapter of square root, whichsoever is the extra number, we used to divide it or give it partners. But here in the case of cube, 2 partners are needed. Okay. So if the case is of division, just you have to divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. 27648 upon 2. It will be 13824. This is a perfect cube having the factors as, no need to do even the calculation. You have all the calculation with you. Okay. Now it is a perfect cube because this 2 was extra and I divide the number by 2. But if it is given that by what number it should be multiplied, then it should be multiplied by 4. It should be multiplied by 4. 27648 into 4. And the factors will become 2 into 2 into 2. The group which is idle, you have to give 2 to it as well. See, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 3 19, 1 carry, 4 6s are 24 plus 1 25, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28, 30, 3 carry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. This is the required perfect cube, which is we obtained by multiplication, and this one was obtained by division.